Celery is often dismissed as a low-value vegetable, sometimes even joked about as being just water with crunch. Yet this perception could not be further from the truth. Behind its crisp texture and mild flavor lies a vegetable rich in bioactive compounds that modern nutrition science is only now beginning to fully appreciate. Celery has been used for centuries in traditional healing systems across Asia and the Mediterranean, valued not only as food but also as a medicinal plant. What makes celery unique is not a single nutrient, but the way its water content, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and plant antioxidants work together to support the body. Celery is naturally low in calories, free of fat, and contains a powerful combination of flavonoids, phenolic acids, and phytonutrients that protect cells from inflammation and oxidative damage. These properties make it especially beneficial for people dealing with digestive issues, high blood pressure, blood sugar imbalance, chronic inflammation, or age-related health concerns. In recent years, scientific studies have confirmed many of celery's traditional uses. Research shows that compounds in celery can help relax blood vessels, reduce inflammatory markers, support liver function, and improve hydration at a cellular level. Its role in supporting gut health, cardiovascular health, and metabolic balance makes celery a simple yet effective addition to a daily diet. Another reason celery deserves attention is its accessibility and versatility. It can be eaten raw, lightly cooked, blended into drinks, or added to soups and salads without losing most of its benefits. Unlike expensive supplements or complex health regimens, celery is affordable, widely available, and easy to include in everyday meals. In this video, we will explore 10 proven health benefits of eating celery every day, each explained clearly and supported by scientific understanding. Rather than exaggerated claims or passing trends, this guide focuses on how celery works inside the body and why consistent, moderate consumption can contribute to long-term health and wellness. 1. Supports healthy digestion. Celery plays a significant role in supporting digestive health due to its exceptionally high water content combined with natural dietary fiber. Nearly 95% of celery is water, which helps keep the digestive tract hydrated. Adequate hydration is essential for softening stool and allowing food to move smoothly through the intestines. When the digestive system lacks sufficient fluid, digestion slows, often leading to constipation, bloating, and discomfort. By naturally increasing water intake, celery helps maintain regular bowel movements and promotes a healthy digestive rhythm. In addition to hydration, celery provides insoluble fiber, which adds bulk to stool and supports proper intestinal movement. This type of fiber does not dissolve in water but instead acts as a gentle cleanser for the digestive tract, helping remove waste efficiently. Fiber also supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which play a crucial role in digestion, immunity, and nutrient absorption. A balanced gut microbiome is closely linked to fewer digestive complaints and better overall health. Celery also contains naturally occurring compounds that stimulate the production of stomach acid and digestive enzymes. These substances help the body break down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates more efficiently, making digestion smoother and more complete. As a result, regular consumption of celery may reduce symptoms such as gas, bloating, acid reflux, and indigestion. Over time, improved digestive efficiency contributes to better nutrient absorption and enhanced gut comfort. 2. Helps reduce inflammation. Inflammation is the body's natural defense mechanism, but when it becomes chronic, it can damage tissues and contribute to serious health conditions such as arthritis, heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders. Celery contains powerful antioxidants, particularly apigenin and luteolin, which have been extensively studied for their anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds work by interfering with inflammatory signaling pathways in the body, helping reduce the production of inflammatory chemicals. At the cellular level, celery's antioxidants neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that cause oxidative stress and trigger inflammation. By limiting oxidative damage, celery helps protect cells, tissues, and organs from long-term wear and tear. This protective effect becomes increasingly important with age, as chronic inflammation naturally tends to rise. Regular intake of anti-inflammatory foods like celery may help reduce joint stiffness, muscle soreness, and general body aches. Over time, this can contribute to improved mobility, greater physical comfort, and a lower risk of inflammation-related chronic diseases. Including celery in the daily diet offers a simple, natural way to support the body's inflammatory balance. 3. Supports heart health. Celery has a long history of use in traditional medicine for supporting heart and blood vessel health, and modern science continues to validate these benefits. One of the most important compounds found in celery is phthalides, which help relax the smooth muscles surrounding blood vessels. When these muscles relax, blood vessels widen, allowing blood to flow more easily through the circulatory system. This improved circulation can help lower blood pressure and reduce strain on the heart. High blood pressure is one of the leading risk factors for heart disease and stroke. By supporting healthy blood vessel function, celery helps maintain normal blood pressure levels naturally. This effect is further enhanced by celery's potassium content, which plays a key role in regulating fluid balance and counteracting the negative effects of excess sodium. Potassium also supports steady heart rhythm and efficient muscle contraction. In addition to blood pressure regulation, celery's antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress within blood vessels, protecting artery walls from damage. This supports long-term cardiovascular health and lowers the risk of plaque buildup. When consumed regularly as part of a balanced diet, celery contributes to healthier circulation and improved heart function. 4. Aids in weight management. Celery is particularly beneficial for weight management because it provides volume and satiety without adding significant calories to the diet. A generous portion of celery contains very few calories, allowing individuals to eat satisfying amounts without exceeding daily energy needs. This makes celery an excellent choice for those aiming to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight while still feeling full and nourished. One unique aspect of celery is the effort required to chew it. Its crunchy texture naturally slows the eating process, giving the brain adequate time to receive fullness signals from the stomach. This helps reduce mindless eating and lowers the likelihood of overeating. Slower eating habits are consistently associated with better appetite regulation and improved digestion. Celery also contains dietary fiber, which further contributes to feelings of fullness and supports stable digestion. Fiber slows gastric emptying, meaning food remains in the stomach longer, helping reduce hunger between meals. When included regularly, celery can help curb cravings for high-calorie, processed foods, supporting sustainable weight management over time. 5. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is essential for metabolic health, consistent energy, and disease prevention. Celery has a very low glycemic index, meaning it has minimal impact on blood glucose levels after consumption. Unlike refined carbohydrates, celery does not cause rapid spikes in blood sugar, making it a beneficial choice for individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance. The fiber in celery slows the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, allowing glucose to enter the bloodstream gradually. This steady release helps prevent sharp fluctuations in blood sugar and insulin levels, reducing strain on the pancreas. Stable blood sugar levels also support sustained energy and fewer cravings throughout the day. Beyond fiber, celery contains antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress, a condition known to interfere with insulin signaling. By protecting insulin-producing cells and supporting insulin sensitivity, celery contributes to better glucose metabolism. Regular consumption, especially within a balanced diet, may support long-term blood sugar control. 6. Supports liver detoxification. The liver plays a central role in filtering toxins, processing nutrients, and regulating metabolism. Celery contains antioxidants and plant compounds that help protect liver cells from oxidative damage caused by environmental toxins, medications, and unhealthy dietary patterns. By reducing cellular stress, celery supports the liver's ability to perform its detoxification functions efficiently. Some scientific studies suggest that celery may help reduce fat accumulation in the liver, which is particularly important in preventing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. The antioxidants in celery appear to influence enzymes involved in fat metabolism, supporting healthier liver structure and function. While more human research is needed, current findings highlight celery's protective potential. Celery's high water content also aids detoxification by promoting hydration and increasing urine output. This supports waste removal through the kidneys, reducing the overall burden on the liver. Although celery itself does not detoxify the body, it strengthens the body's natural detoxification systems. 7. Promotes healthy skin. Healthy skin depends on proper hydration, adequate nutrient intake, and protection from environmental damage. Celery supports all three factors. Its high water content helps maintain hydration at the cellular level, which is essential for keeping skin soft, supple, and elastic. Well-hydrated skin is less prone to dryness, flakiness, and dullness. Celery also provides vitamin C and other antioxidants that support skin repair and maintenance. Vitamin C is required for collagen production, the structural protein that maintains skin firmness and elasticity. As collagen levels naturally decline with age, skin becomes more susceptible to wrinkles and sagging. By supporting collagen synthesis and protecting skin cells from oxidative damage caused by sun exposure and pollution, celery promotes long-term skin health. 8. Strengthens bones. Bone health depends on a consistent supply of essential nutrients, and celery contributes meaningfully to this process. One of its key bone-supporting nutrients is vitamin K, which is necessary for bone mineralization. Vitamin K activates proteins that help calcium bind effectively to bone tissue, supporting bone strength and reducing fracture risk. Celery also provides modest amounts of calcium and magnesium, both of which are essential for maintaining bone density. Magnesium helps regulate calcium metabolism and supports bone formation, while calcium serves as the primary building block of bone structure. Including celery as part of a nutrient-rich diet supports skeletal health, particularly as bone density naturally declines with age. 9. Supports brain health. The brain is highly sensitive to oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which increase with age and contribute to cognitive decline. Celery contains antioxidant compounds that help protect brain cells from this damage. One of the most studied flavonoids in celery is apigenin, which has demonstrated neuroprotective effects in scientific research. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in neural tissues, celery may help preserve memory, focus, and mental clarity. Diets rich in antioxidant-containing vegetables are consistently linked to better cognitive health and a lower risk of neurodegenerative conditions. Regular celery consumption supports healthy brain aging and long-term neurological function. 10. Natural diuretic for reducing water retention. Celery has long been recognized for its natural diuretic properties, meaning it helps the body eliminate excess water and sodium through increased urine output. This can be particularly helpful for individuals who experience bloating, puffiness, or swelling due to fluid retention. Unlike synthetic diuretics, which may disrupt electrolyte balance, celery provides potassium and other natural electrolytes that help maintain proper fluid regulation. This allows the body to release excess fluids without causing dehydration or kidney strain. For mild water retention, celery offers a gentle and supportive dietary solution. Celery detox drink recipe. A simple and effective way to include celery in your daily routine is through a fresh celery detox drink. This preparation allows you to consume celery in a concentrated form while preserving its natural nutrients, antioxidants, and hydration benefits. To prepare the drink, use 2 to 3 fresh celery stalks and wash them thoroughly to remove dirt or pesticide residue. Chop the celery into small pieces and place them in a blender. Add 1 cup of clean drinking water to support smooth blending. For added nutritional value and improved taste, half a fresh lemon, juiced, and a small piece of ginger may be included. A green apple can be added optionally to provide mild sweetness without significantly affecting blood sugar levels. Blend all ingredients until smooth. The drink may be consumed as it is or strained if a lighter texture is preferred. For maximum nutritional benefit, it is best prepared fresh and consumed immediately, as antioxidants and enzymes gradually degrade over time. How to use the celery detox drink. For best results, the celery detox drink should be consumed once daily, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. Drinking it before breakfast allows nutrients to be absorbed efficiently without interference from other foods. If consumed later in the day, it should be taken at least 2 hours after a meal. Consistency is more important than quantity. Drinking this mixture 3 to 5 times per week is sufficient to support digestion, hydration, and metabolic balance. The drink should complement a balanced diet rather than replace meals. Who can use this drink? The celery detox drink is generally safe for most healthy adults. It is particularly beneficial for individuals experiencing digestive discomfort, bloating, mild water retention, fatigue, or sluggish metabolism. Those focusing on weight management, skin health, or cardiovascular wellness may also benefit from regular consumption. However, individuals with low blood pressure, kidney disorders, or those taking diuretic medications should consult a healthcare professional before consuming celery juice regularly, as celery can naturally lower blood pressure and increase urine output. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should also seek medical advice before making it a daily habit. Health benefits of the celery detox drink. Regular consumption of this drink supports digestion by improving hydration and encouraging digestive enzyme activity. It may help reduce bloating and promote regular bowel movements due to its water and fiber content. The drink also supports liver and kidney function by assisting the body's natural waste removal processes. Its antioxidant content helps reduce oxidative stress, supporting cellular health and metabolic function. Because celery is low in calories and naturally filling, this drink can support weight management by reducing appetite and limiting unnecessary snacking. Improved hydration and antioxidant intake also contribute to healthier skin and better fluid balance. Additionally, the natural potassium content helps regulate electrolytes and supports heart health. Important note on detox claims. It is important to understand that no single food or drink detoxifies the body. The liver and kidneys already perform detoxification efficiently. The celery detox drink works by supporting these organs, improving hydration, and providing antioxidants that reduce cellular stress. When combined with a balanced diet, adequate sleep, and regular physical activity, this drink can be a supportive addition to a healthy lifestyle. Conclusion. Celery may appear simple, but scientific evidence clearly shows that its nutritional and bioactive profile offers meaningful health benefits when consumed regularly. Its water content supports hydration and digestion, while fiber aids gut motility and metabolic balance. At the same time, its antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals help reduce inflammation, support cardiovascular health, and protect vital organs such as the liver and brain. Celery's benefits do not depend on large or excessive intake. Consistent, moderate consumption, whether eaten whole, lightly cooked, or blended into a drink, supports the body's natural regulatory systems over time. Rather than acting as a cure or detox agent, celery strengthens existing physiological processes. As part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, celery represents an affordable, accessible, and scientifically supported addition to daily nutrition, offering steady, long-term support for health and healthy aging.